Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread yeast. First, gather your basic ingredients: flour, water, and a small amount of sugar. You'll also need a clean jar or container. The process begins by combining these simple items to create a starter culture. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can cultivate a robust and active yeast for all your baking needs. To begin, take a clean jar and combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour with 1 cup of warm, filtered water. Stir these ingredients thoroughly until no dry lumps remain. Next, add just a pinch of sugar. This provides initial food for the wild yeasts. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or cloth, allowing air circulation, and let it rest at room temperature for 24 hours. After the first day, you'll begin the feeding routine. Discard about half of your starter, leaving approximately 1/2 cup in the jar. Then, add 1/2 cup of fresh flour and 1/2 cup of warm water. Mix well. Repeat this process daily. You should start to see bubbles forming and notice a slightly tangy, yeasty smell, indicating your starter is becoming active. Once your starter consistently shows activity for about 7 days, it's ready to use in your favorite bread recipes. For storage, you can keep your mature starter in the refrigerator, feeding it once a week. Remember to bring it to room temperature and feed it a few times before baking. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.